Another problem with the franchise is, which I was just about to talk about, which is them supposedly selling you contracts. Well, in reality, they're not actually selling you a contract because the truth of the matter is they still own the contract even after you pay it off. So, say you gave them the $4,000 to buy that $1,000 a month contract up front. Guess whose name is still on that contract with the customer? It's the franchises, right? It's their contract regardless. So how are they really selling it to you? You know what I mean? So you never really own it. So at any given moment, even though you paid them $4,000 for that contract, if they don't like the job that you're doing in that contract, they can literally pull you out of that contract, sell it to another franchise owner for another $4,000, and you're out of $4,000, right? So that don't sound like a great deal to me. That's just one of the many reasons why I say I don't really know about no franchise, right? Again, it's not a scam because it is a legitimate business. You're gonna, you know what I mean, you're gonna have a business, but it just extremely